Honorable Shri Satish D. Patil, Chairman and Vice President DY Patil Educational Complex, respected Colonel S.K. Joshi, Campus Director, respected eminent speakers Mr. Vaibhav Patil, Mr. Nisarg Mehta, Dr. Oblupati C. Naidu, and Mr. Anil Omnawar, respected Dr. Vijay Vardai, Principal, respected Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, Vice Principal, respected HODs and Deans, faculty members, and their all participants. On behalf of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, I, Aditi Kalia, Assistant Professor from Computer Engineering Department, welcome you all for the Day 3 of International Webinar with hands-on workshop on Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, organized by Computer, IT, ENTC and Instrumentation Departments of the college. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. With this thought, we will begin our first session. Now, I request our Vice Principal, Dr. Mrs. P. Malti Madam, to present her welcome note. Over to you, Madam.
Thank you, Aditi ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai. Respected speakers of today's international workshop on AI and data science, all the heads of the departments, deans, faculty members, and my dear student participants. I welcome you all for the third day international workshop on AI and data science. In last 2 days, we have gained maximum knowledge on AI and data science, and also we have gathered hands-on experience about the artificial intelligence. So you are all now geared up to listen to the eminent speakers on today. We have brought the speakers from India as well as from abroad. First of all, I would like to welcome Mr. Vaibhav Patil, who is Business Intelligence Head, Eton India, Pune. He worked in various domains like telecom, logistics, manufacturing in USA, UK, and Australia. Now he is working on data integration and analytics for the last 5 years. Welcome you, sir, for this international workshop. Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Nisarg Mehta, who is a Google Assistant Community Developer, Harvard Business School Fellow, Professional Mentor of IET UK. Welcome you, sir. Next, also I would like to welcome Dr. Oblupati Naidu, Associate Professor, D.Y. Patil International University, Akurudi. He is PhD in Cloud Computing and Big Data from University of Florida. He is currently working on artificial intelligence, blockchain, cybersecurity, drones, and quantum computing, etc. We welcome you, sir, for this international workshop. Next, I would like to welcome even Mr. Anil Omanwar, who is an AI expert, cloud solution architect, data scientist specialist from Western Australia. He has working experience in natural language processing, data analytics, information visualization, cloud services, AI Python, and AWS cloud, etc. We welcome you, sir, for this international workshop. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome Mr. Arpit Yadav, who is a research scientist in AI and ML, TensorBrew, Hyderabad. And he has vast experience and is working as a corporate trainer in Python, data science, machine learning, deep learning, and is a freelancer and subject matter expert in White Panda. So we are going to listen to all these eminent speakers from India and abroad. Now it is up to the participants. You have to gain maximum knowledge out of these domain experts. I would request all the participants to have pen, paper, and notebook with you, as well as laptop, so that you can be able to practice by your own and you can be able to gain maximum knowledge in the domain of artificial intelligence and data science. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. I would also like to thank our management, our honorable chairman, Mr. Satish D. Patil sir and our campus director, Colonel S.K. Joshi sir, for having given us this opportunity to conduct a workshop for our students. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over to Aditi ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request our principal, sir, Dr. Vijayam Vadai, sir, to present his valuable thoughts. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Aditi. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Buddhi Rupena Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Jnana Rupena Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. We have prayed to seek the blessings from the Almighty Ma Shakti to bless us for enhancing our intelligence, our knowledge, and the power to serve the community, serve the society, serve the nation, and serve the globe. Unless and until we do have a proper blessings from the God, we are a strong believer of the God, and important, the component of our personality is the spiritual intelligence along with all other natural 10 multiple intelligence. We know that today in the era of this artificial intelligence and data science and industry 4.0, 5.0, we require the people with the highest level of the spirituality so that their mindset is properly balanced and all the values which is required for sustenance and enhancement of the socio-economic development of the country, which is quintessential from all the IT engineers, all the engineers who are contributing for developing certain applications or giving the certain solutions to the various sectors. With the proper blessings from the top stalwarts, are great leaders of our campus. Under their blessings, this particular DY Patil Educational Complex is really gaining the values and importance, and the brand enhancement and brand value is really enhancing day by day. Honorable Satish Patil sir and Honorable Campus Director, they are putting their heart into each and every activity, and that's why today, on the third day of the international workshop onto the artificial intelligence and data science, they have only pushed us to have this particular workshop at the international stature. And fortunately, let me tell you with the pride that the 12 international personality who have witnessed us and given the consent to be the part of this particular international workshop on to the artificial intelligence and data science. I'm very happy I could see that young scientist and young engineer, Mr. Vaibhav Patil, who is heading the business intelligence department and really working hard and absolutely having the very in-depth knowledge of the data intelligence. Since last 5 years, he is contributing for the AI and data science. We know that the best of the best potential in the world, we know the company as a Google, Microsoft. So the eminent person who is working into the Google, Mr. Nisarg Mehta, also have given the consent to be the part of this particular workshop, because he himself has developed the one applications which is called as a Google Assistant. You just ask anything, whatever the information you want, and your Google engine, which is there inside that will search whatever you want, either information, audio, video, text, name anybody, that will be made it available. Such a young scientist is also available with us to guide us in the second lecture. Our own faculty of the DYPIU International University here in the Akudi campus, Dr. Obulpati Naidu sir, he has been into this field of the AI and data science field since last 10 years. And he is guiding the 7 PhD candidates currently in India. I know that his valuable contributions right now into the pandemic situations in the COVID-19, whatever the prediction based on the whatever the our available the data, they could predict that when and what time point of time the what will be the increase in the rise of the COVID patients, and their predictions was very good, and that proved that his excellency and competency into the field of the data science and predictability and estimations of the whatever about the future. Very nice personality, Mr. Anil Openwar. He is experts into artificial intelligence and data science. He has done his PhD in cloud computing. You know that with a humongous amount of the data, the big data, how to handle the big data, and the data has to be there on the cloud, accessing the data from the cloud. So that's why computing the data onto the cloud. So that's why he has given the lot of justice to this particular field, and being the as a artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and the natural language processing. These are all this important terminology which you are going to learn during this 4 day. I am sure that, past 2 days also, very eminent personality who has contemplated onto this particular topic. But I am sure that along with the hands-on that you have done into artificial intelligence and giving certain data, some kind of the example, you could interpret the data, visualize the data, play with the data, and estimate and predict the data accuracy. So how to do it? So perhaps the right kind of the education is being given into this particular workshop on the 3rd day. I also wish all the best to the organizing team. I am very happy that Dr. Musmane, Dr. Khainar, Dr. Priti Patil, and Dr. Vinayak Kotawar, they are putting their hearts, and their complete team is working for success of this international workshop on data science. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Over to Aditi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir, for your always encouraging us with your inspirational words. Now moving ahead, today's session chair is Dr. Vijay Kumar S. Jetty, sir, Dean Academics, DYPSO Yakrudi. I welcome you, sir. Now I will hand over charge to Dr. Jetty, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Professor Aditi Kalia, ma'am. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, one and all. Respected Honorable Chairman, Vice President Shri Satesh D. Patil, sir, in absentia. Respected Colonel S.K. Joshi, sir, Campus Director, in absentia. Respected eminent speakers of today's morning session. Respected Principal, sir, Vice Principal, ma'am, respected HODs, Deans, faculty members, and all participants. I, on behalf of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, welcome you all for the Day 3 session of morning on this 4 days online international webinar with hands-on workshop on artificial intelligence and data science. So today's first speaker, as everyone has spoke, that Mr. Vaibhav Patil, sir, is going to enlighten us on data science. So before handing over the session to sir, let us understand brief background about sir work. So sir is currently heading business intelligence in Eton, India, Pune. Sir has done his BE in instrumentation in 1996, ME electronics from COEP, Pune, and he started his career as software developer in 1998. He has worked across various domains like telecom, logistics, manufacturing in different geographies in USA, UK, Australia. He has been responsible for data integration and analytics for last 5 years at Eton. As a business intelligence head, he is responsible for developing analytics and data science solution for Eton. So he will be sharing with us about data science. As we know, all business could use a garden where data. Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Naidu, sir, for taking out his time and delivering a very wonderful talk. So the presentations was very nice. So he has given the importance of AI, the applications of AI, then what is the AI ethics is required, and last he mentioned about all the implications of AI once it comes into a reality. So on behalf of DY Patil College of Engineering, Akudi, I would like to thank Dr. Naidu sir for sparing his time and giving his valuable experience, what he has gained during his tenure of work. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Jyoti. Thank you for this opportunity.
Session chair, I would like to just brief about the today's session, what has been taken place. So to start with, we had in the morning Mr. Vaibhav Patil sir, who is a business intelligence head at Econ India Pune. So he had talked on data science. So wherein he mentioned where and all the data science has been used with few examples of our day-to-day life, and he mentioned that where it is used, finance, sales and marketing, weather, face recognition, healthcare, politics, creating fine arts, fashion trends. Now, why now it has been coming into an picture? Well, he said that world is connected through internet. So there is an internet of things. So as the data storage becomes cheap, huge processing power is there, and he correlated with many other things. And he said that the oil, this data science is going to become as an oil business in future. And he mentioned that there are three things what we need to have into our mind. One is technology, tools. Second is the arts. Third is the maths. So he mentioned what are the arts what we should have. That is, first the students or the participants should know is the curiosity in the topic, imagination, problem solving skills, creativity, empathy, communications. And in communication, he mentioned particularly about the storytelling skills one should have with him. In mathematics, we should know the algebra, statistics, and the mathematical modeling. The technological tools, what we are hearing from different speakers since day one. So few of them, he mentioned that data analysis, data visualization, data warehousing, machine learning. Now, if anyone want to have a career in data science, first of all, we should able to identify the interest. Then we should develop the skills, the knowledge amongst that area, and we should have the basic mathematical skills, tools and techniques, what he has mentioned in his talk. Now, coming to the speaker two, Mr. Nisarg Mehta, who is a Google Assistant app community development. So he had really make us to understand the different Google Assistants, what we have. So why, how, he had used many simple examples to make us understand about this Google Assistants. And he has developed his own Google Assistant app also. He had shared many websites to the students. There are many websites where the student themselves can go and start with his own app. He's also correlated with the different examples of NLP, knowledge graph, how the ML ranking is done, user profile, text to speech. So he showed the examples of a magical experience. Now, how to translate the voice into a text, the smart home. Now, how to develop a Google Assistant SDK. Then he had developed his own test psychological app, which he has shown there. Then he mentioned that to get a job in Google, the student should know of basic 5 languages, C, C++, Python. He said also mentioned about OOPS data structure and the Google phone bar. There are certain challenge programming tests are conducted by the Google wherein the student should participate. And he has clearly mentioned that the student should start, the particularly third year students should start for internship with Google. And the internship he suggested to take up till the 8th semester for the students. Next speaker we had with us is Mr. Anil Omanwar sir. He is a data scientist specialist in IBM Australia. He's explained the exposure what he has went through his journey of 13 years he said that the cognitive domain, particularly he is working with oil and gas industries. He said that the chatbots, command center, planning, contact tracing are the few things what we should focus on. To understand the natural language processing, he used many examples. The first example what he had mentioned about is how to read a text, that is particularly the accident report and unstructured text to get it converted into an structured entity. Certain industry accident reports, call center problem, wherein he showed about the architecture, how it has been developed. He also gave a simple example of our driving test. Then the takeaway from his session was that we should think forward and we should craft our own tools. The last session what we had with Dr. Obulpati C. Naidu sir, who was the former head of AI division, Nike Shoes, USA. And right now he is working as an associate professor in D.Y. Patil International University. He talked about the importance of AI for future of humanities. He said that AI is a game changer. The way the fire and the electricity are the game changer for the humanity. This AI is going to be the game changer in recent past, recents. And he mentioned that neural networks are the things what are being used. Once the model is been ready, we can scale it. We can clone it to different models. He said that Amazon and Netflix is making the business by using this AI and ML technique. He mentioned the different examples of education, knowledge graph, banking and finance, data centers, drug discovery, agriculture, human resource, smart grid optimization, renewable energy, healthcare, art. Now people are using this AI for creating the fake news. Then he also mentioned about the use of NSYNC, that is the neural sync for getting the music created, driverless car, even the product design to make fancy designs. He mentioned about the chassis of the car. Then the data-driven management is another example what he mentioned that the AI is going to be used. Then he focused on the AI ethics. So the that is what is the most important thing right now. We should also think of AI ethics. Then the implications of AI. So these were the 4 speakers of today's morning session. So I would like to thank all the participants for patience listening. I would like to thank our honorable campus director, Colonel S.K. Joshi sir, our campus chairman, vice president, Shri Satesh D. Patil sir, vice principal sir, vice principal ma'am, HODs, dean. And I personally want to thank our organizing team, Dr. D.G. Khairna sir, Dr. B.B. Musmade sir, Dr. Preeti Patil ma'am, Dr. Vinayak Kotawar sir, for giving me a chance to chair this session in this 4-day online international webinar with hands-on workshop on artificial intelligence and data science. So thank you one and all. Thanks to our anchor, today's anchor, Professor Aditi Kalia ma'am, for coordinating for this morning session. Over to Aditi Kalia ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. As we have come to closure of day 3 morning session, I request Dr. B.B. Musmade sir, Head of Department of Instrumentation and Control, to propose vote of thanks. Over to you.
Good afternoon. Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are visible also. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Aditi, madam. Good afternoon to one and all. Once again, I feel honored to be here to present vote of thanks for today's series of excellent talks on day 3. The most valued guests of this morning, Mr. Vaibhav Patil, Head Business Intelligence, Eton, Pune, Mr. Nisarg Mehta, a young Google Assistant app developer, Dr. Obulpati Naidu, former head of AI division, Nike Shoes USA, and associate professor at DYP-IU. Mr. Anil Obamwar, data scientist specialist, IBM Australia, respected principal, respected vice principal, all head of the departments, deans, faculty, and our participants. First of all, I would like to present my hearty vote of thanks to the beloved management of DY Patil Pratishthan, Honorable Founder President Sir, Honorable President Sir, Honorable Vice President and Campus Chairman Sir, and respected Campus Director Sir, for extending their best regards to this event. Thank you all for being a source of inspiration for all of us. Now I would like to thank our distinguished speakers of day 3. We are grateful to the speaker one of today's morning, Mr. Vaibhav Patil. I am very happy to express my feeling with you all that we were classmates and good friends since last 30 years. Well, Vaibhav is a motivator and a critical thinker. He worked for leading IT companies and now at Eaton, responsible for developing analytical solutions and data science solutions. Thank you, Vaibhav, for inspiring session on data science. Thanks a lot for sharing your experience and developments of data science useful in our day-to-day life systems, and also making aware of how this science is booming around us. I take this opportunity to extend my thanks to a young Google Assistant app community developer, Mr. Nisarg Mehta, for his amazing views on actions on Google, how to be a Google employee. Thank you, young talent, for your interactive presentation by giving interesting examples of cutting-edge Google technology. We would like to acknowledge our sincere thanks to Mr. Anil Obamwar, data scientist specialist, IBM Australia, for his interactive presentation on current technology and data science applications to various industries. Thank you for your significant insights on real-life problems like banking or capturing of frauds, etc. Thank you so much for being with us and managing your time zone from Australia. I would like to extend my thanks to our faculty of DYP-IU, Dr. Obulpati Naidu, for exploring importance of artificial intelligence. Thank you, sir, for sharing your experience in the field of AI applications in e-commerce, healthcare, entertainment, and other sectors. Once again, thanks to all speakers of this today's session. I sincerely thank to our Principal Professor Dr. Vijay Wadai sir and Vice Principal Professor Dr. Mrs. P. Malati Madam for being the backbone of this event and also for their motivation and guidance towards the successful organization of such events. I would like to extend appreciation and thanks to each one of the member of AI and Data Science Organizing Committee, which is working sincerely behind the scene. Thanks to all head of the departments, deans, entire faculty and staff of our institute. Also thanks to all the participants for being with us. Thank you, Dr. Vijay Kumar Jatti sir, for chairing the session and Aditi Madam for hosting the session. Please do join us in the afternoon for the hands-on session of a young and dynamic AI/ML researcher, Mr. Arpit Yadav from Hyderabad. Happy learning, take care. Thank you so much. Over to Aditi Madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational words. Dear participants, we will join again this workshop for practical hands-on session at 1:30 p.m. sharp. Now, there is one instruction for students. Students are requested to please attempt day 2 quiz. It is available till 3 p.m. today. Thank you so much. Thank you all.